Alright guys, here's what we're using today. This is for the rear differential. So 2 of them was recommended. Got a transfer pump. Got a ratchet. Not sure if that's the right size, I haven't checked yet. My famous green plastics, and we're going to cut it here to collect the oil that comes out. So this is actually the correct size. It's the middle one. Alright guys, so we're under here now. I'm on the driver's side in the back. This is where you fill it. This is the drain plug. Alright guys, so in order to crank this, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, you're probably gonna need the crank bar, you know, and when you bust it loose, upwards loose, downwards tighten. Alright guys, so we got the crank bar set up on the second one. So all we're gonna do now is crank it this way, going upwards. Alright guys, so you're gonna want to see this. My trusty plastics here. I also got a backup one, just in case it overflows, but shouldn't. We've just cranked this one loose, the actual drain plug. So we're just gonna take it off for you guys. Just give it a second here, it's very tight. It's gonna be a freaking shower, man. Well, there you have it. So we're just gonna let that drain out. Looks pretty dirty. When you crack it, upwards is loosen, downwards is tighten. So there we got the crush washers on. Nice and clean. Really should hit that with a grinder, but it's okay. We're gonna go ahead and... Oh, is that the washer right there? No. There's no way, dude. There's no way that's like rust welded on. Put the bottom one in. Switch this to tighten. Crank that down. Now we go fill this one. So I hope you guys can see this, because this is a pain in my nuts to film. See, this is going to be a two-handed job, but basically we're going to pump it from the bottle, suck it in through this tube and push it in through that tube. So you guys could see. Getting it up in there. It's basically one. Alright guys, number 2. Alright guys, I just pulled it out. We just did it till it started dripping, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put the new I couldn't film it because I don't have 3 freaking hands, but we're just gonna go ahead and tighten that one back up again because we're full. It's been dripping. You can see the drip mark there. So there ended up being another washer totally rust welded onto this, which I suspected. Fucking guys. Now we gotta pump more in, so we'll be back. Ended up putting a little bit too much in, but it's all done. So what we're gonna do is just crank it. Oh fuck, I got a spasm in my fucking ankle. Alright guys, I've already done it, but I want to stress, make sure you use your brake bar and really get it down there. I think it's 35 pounds you want to crank both of these bolts on. This one and this one, okay? Make sure it's nicely in there. You get those crush washers to really grab. And just because everyone gets all horny about this, they say, oh, you gotta clean it with brake cleaner after. So just to make everyone happy, we'll do that. Okay, that's it, job done. Mr. SFM Collective, rear differential fluid change. Peace. And that's how you change your rear differential on your 2002 to 2006 Honda CR-V 2.4 liter. Just gonna show you guys so you can see. Do you think these guys ever changed it? Comment below. So all said and done, that's about as much as we used. So basically one of these, and I lost a little bit for overflow, so I would say about there. So 1 1/4.